second. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to support the demands of the Minister of Education, Social Welfare and Culture. I have always stood for certain values. Education has also been a moving spirit in the reconstruction of the nation. In all the developing countries of the world, the national leaders have always been the students of the universities. Education men are like drivers of a bus who can see further away than the driver of the car. I have always pleaded that there should be uniformity in education. Education should be within the easy reach of everybody. I say this because there are a number of public schools and everybody cannot afford to get public school education. There should be compulsory education up to the age of 14, and the boys and girls, regardless of caste, creed, or religion, should be screened and provided all help. Equal opportunity should be given to all sections of the community. Education is the greatest instrument for national integration. It is the greatest force behind the new education program. Me of our Prime Minister, education institutions are like workshop where characters are built and minds are molded. We want men of character. Therefore, education in our schools should be aimed at developing character. I have to point out that our country educational system has always been governed by trial and error. We find that changes are made frequently. There should be a consistent system of education right from the primary stage. It is not just like picking up a flower from one bush and leaves from another and expecting the combination to grow into a living plant. It does not work that way. If there is no uniform standard of education, it will be difficult for students of a university in one state to get admission in a university in another state or within the same state. There is always a proposal to hold the Union Public Service Commission examinations in religion languages. I am afraid that with the present fabric of national characters, basic of regionalism, it will be a retarding effect on our national efforts because it Tamil is supposed to be the medium of education. Then a Tamil examiner will always be interested in having the maximum intake from Tamil Nadu. Bengalis will prefer Bengalis and so on. Obviously, it will mean a reduction in standards. There will be no uniformity.